this is Katya from Pacifica with Love. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please support me with a like if you like this video. Today we're again at Filoli. It's my favorite garden here in Northern California, and we were here only 2 weeks ago, and tulips were blooming and daffodils were blooming, and I was not planning even to record the video today, but everything has changed since that, and the abundance of flowers, colors, smells that you experience when you come here is just incredible. So I wanted to take a really short video today and show you what I see today. I hope that you will enjoy. Wow, incredible beauty at Filoli today. Every month this place turns into something new. It's a real magic. The field of purple flowers. Such amazing combination of pink, light pink and blue. And the sky with its white clouds create a nice backdrop. Look at this bush. It's fiery, it's exploding with this red color. And there's more red colors in the background. Filoli is beautiful at any time of the year, but of course in spring, and it's at its peak beauty. Everything is blooming, rhododendrons, different colors, magnolias, camellias, everything. Don't know what the name of those amazing plants, but they're gorgeous. And my favorite flowers now are blooming, lilac. Their scent is so incredible. It's too bad I cannot render this on camera. They only bloom in spring and April and May, and their scent is just amazing. It's like perfume. So I learned that these amazing red flowers are called Ward's rubies azaleas, and they look as a regular evergreen shrub most of the year, but in spring they just explode with this amazing red color. Gorgeous. And they're all over Filoli today. It says that they command attention with their color, and they really do. The ruby azaleas, they're incredible. In addition to the things that you could see in the garden and the mansion, the house, you could also attend some of the lectures by the docents about the history of Filoli, the architecture. I don't know if they're doing this on a permanent basis or just today, but something that to check out if you're here at Filoli. It has a nice cafe. You can sit in the garden. There is also a place inside, and also there's additional seating on top of a small hill, so we just got our lunch. They have salads, soups, coffee. Also, for those of you who love plants and gardening, there is a big store here in Filoli, where you can get plants for your home and garden. Some of them are indoor plants, but mostly outdoor plants. There's a big variety here, so check it out. There is also a nice store here where you could get souvenirs or things that are made by Filoli or for Filoli, like jams and sauces. There's some nice clothing pieces, so check this out when you're here at Filoli. I hope that you have enjoyed a video of Filoli in spring when everything is blooming. And if you're in the Bay Area or visiting Bay Area, I really hope you can visit Filoli yourself. Also, if you like this video, please support me with a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Pacifica, Half Moon Bay, Bay Area and beyond.